What's good, guys? Welcome to another episode of Trucks Only. I'm Harvey from Hutch's Welding. I'm here at my main man C10 Mike's house at his home garage, and we're here to show you an update on his 1971 C10 build. As you can see behind me, he got the engine sorted out. He did heads and cam on it. Got the engine shoehorned into this girl. There's our main man himself, C10 Mike.
Hutch.
What's good, brother? How we doing, man?
Good, by yourself.
I was just updating everybody about your progress. See that you got the engine in here.
Yep, cab's back on, engine's on in, transmission's bolted in. Compounded these twice, and then did 2 coats of wax. So it actually brought it kind of back to life.
Dude, look at that shine! I can see our reflection, man. That's awesome. What a lot of people have been doing is actually just taking, you know, the patina, cleaning it up, and actually just doing a buff on it. That's kind of how it was. That's the hood, just, you know, dull. And now, I mean, that's freaking beautiful. So just a good old buff job, some compound, some good old elbow grease, and you can kind of bring this girl back to life.
My donor car is right there, actually.
Yeah.
And
catfish over there.
Yeah, so I actually pulled the headers out, and so far the driver's side fits. I think I had it mocked up a little bit, but it fits pretty well. I don't know about the passenger side yet, because I have to maybe do some.
So those are just
LS1 long tube headers.
Just some headers right off of that, right off LS1, right off that body style. Yeah. So, you know, more or less fits.
I believe it fits. I haven't bolted them in just yet, but it's pretty damn.
So right now we're just running the factory, you know, the factory frame, you know, just to get this engine in here. Really no modifications major. I mean, you got engine swap mounts,
the CVP pedestals.
CVP pedestals, all right.
And then the Porterbuilt crossmember, which we did previously.
Yeah, we talked about that.
I had a little issues with the pedestals. I had to grind some stuff off.
Okay, so a little bit of massaging required.
Modification. Yeah, that's what this is all about. So.
Yeah, it is. It's cool, man.
And the 30 Dyno sliders are really nice. They slide back and forth.
Yeah, let's see if we can take a look at those.
And
nice, man. So yeah, so if you need to position it a little bit more forward or a little bit more back, you can kind of fine tune it exactly where it needs to be.
It's maxed all the way to the back.
Right.
And there's plenty of room in the back, which is nice. I have so relocated the shifter because the shifter would have been here, which is fine, but the bench comes like right there.
Yeah, it's a little too far back. You kind of want it more in that center truck position.
Yeah, so then relocated it, and then the reverse lockout. It's really close to it, but it still does.
Yeah, so you can see actually the Porterbuilt frame stiffener is right in here, which also serves as the transmission mount. You can see down there, but. Man, you're gonna feel the difference in this. This is gonna be 9 day.
Yeah, I'm really excited. So, hopefully, by the end of December, I'm driving it, enjoying it.
Nice, man.
Still gotta buff it.
Yeah. That's some small, easy stuff. We got you got a whole truck to do.
Yeah, right. Fender's pretty easy. But so I'm gonna do the serpentine belt for everything. It relocates the AC compressor from here to here, and it moves the alternator up as well. So.
Awesome.
Which is not too bad. And more modifications I had made was this is the LS6 galley cover plate. It has like this baffle. Okay. That you have to notch out the LS1 with. So you notch that out 3/4 of an inch down, notch it down.
Okay. Very cool.
So this fits in there.
So this is a good upgrade, LS6 valley cover plate.
From where the research and the reviews and stuff, this is the better of the two because this has a lot of case pressure. So it leaks oil from your rear main seal. Front seal, oil pan gasket, it leaks oil. So with this breathing a little bit more, hopefully it doesn't do that. I replaced every gasket possible. Heads up, rebuilt. So I didn't do the bottom end because apparently these can hold 600 horsepower. So the bottom end can.
Man, that's like 15 horsepower right there.
I heard it's about 25.
Yeah, we'll have to dyno tune it a little bit, tweak it, see what's going on. So, you know, you get the front end all buttoned up, get your headers on, and then I guess onto the wiring, right? We'll have our buddy Patchy Brian come down and I guess kind of redo the factory harness.
Yeah, redo the factory harness. He's gonna hopefully get it running.
Yeah, no, I want to hear that chop, man.
Yeah.
The chop monster.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Very cool. When we feel frisky, we'll do the full retard build.
Yeah.
We'll chop the front off, get the Porterbuilt on, we'll do the back and throw it on the ground.
Eventually.
Yeah. We add some turbos to it or something, you know.
Actually, the cam is a boost cam, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. So the cam's a Texas Speed cam.
Yep.
And PRC heads.
Yep, from Texas Speed as well.
They're Texas Speed, okay.
Yep.
Very cool. Stock bottom end, like we talked about.
Yep. Just the CVP.
Intake, what'd you do for the intake?
Intake's a 102 millimeter RHS LSXR.
Okay, and then a throttle body, big throttle body to match.
Big mount throttle body. There's the intake, fuel rails.
All right.
Here's the and the sensors.
Sweet, man, that looks good.
Yeah. Looking
beast.
Nice and pretty. A lot of black.
Camaro truck.
Pretty much, yeah. Took the heart out of the Camaro and put it in this thing.
Yeah, I love it. Trucks only.
Just be patient, which I'm being very patient. But
yeah, the biggest thing is you don't want to cut corners. Like now's the time where you're like, I just want to get it done.
Yeah,
but
I advise.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to put like a used part or a cheap part or something that's, you know, you might have to replace down the road. Like, you know, if it takes you a little bit longer to save up or a little bit more work, it's definitely worth it in the end. Just to be able to get peace of mind where you're going down the road and you don't have to go back into it. Thank you for showing us the build.
Hopefully next time you see this, it's going to be driving out.
Yeah, you think so?
Driving out.
Yeah? All right. I can't wait for that. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Like you said, hopefully next time this thing will be shredding some rubber down the road. But in the meantime, stay classy.